Background Verification (BGV) Vertical are the HR guide to vetting candidates, minimizing risk and compliance. Welcome back. In today's competitive hiring environment, verifying a candidate's credentials isn't just a formality, it's essential risk management. We are talking about background verification (BGV). A weak BGV process can expose your company to legal liabilities, financial fraud, and reputational damage. Background verification (BGV) is crucial for protecting your company's assets, reputation, and employees. This video provides HR professionals and recruiters with a detailed, compliant framework for conducting thorough background checks. Learn what checks are essential, how to handle discrepancies, and ensure your BGV process minimizes risk and adheres to legal standards. Today, we are breaking down the BGV process into three critical phases: scope and consent, the core checks, and compliance and decision making. Let's dive in. Phase 1: Scope, Consent, and Policy. Before you run any check, you must have a clear policy and obtain explicit permission. Define the scope, job relevance. The BGV scope must be directly related to the job role. A check for a financial analyst will differ vastly from a check for an administrative assistant. Example: a role handling company finances must have a rigorous financial and credit check. A role involving driving requires a motor vehicle record check. Obtain written consent. This is non-negotiable and a strict legal requirement in almost every jurisdiction. Action: you must obtain the candidate's explicit, written permission to conduct the checks. This consent must clearly list the specific checks you intend to perform. Without consent, stop the process. Ensure consistency. Apply your BGV policy consistently across all candidates for similar roles. Inconsistent application can lead to claims of discrimination. Phase 2: the core BGV checks. What to verify? While checks vary by industry, these 5 checks form the backbone of a standard professional BGV. Identity verification. Host: this confirms the person is who they claim to be. Checks: PAN, Aadhaar, in India, Social Security number, passport, and address verification. Essential for preventing impersonation. Educational verification. Verify the highest degree and any claimed professional certifications. Process: contacting the university board directly or using a reliable third-party vendor. Look for discrepancies in dates, grades, or the degree itself. Employment history verification (EVA). This is the most crucial operational check. Process: confirm the job title, employment dates, reason for leaving, and, if possible, eligibility for rehire. This identifies job hopping, exaggerated seniority, or blacklisting. Tip: always verify with the HR department, not just the provided manager reference. Criminal record check, database search. This verifies any past criminal convictions or pending legal action relevant to the job. Key: ensure the check is relevant to the job duties and adheres strictly to local laws regarding the time frame for reporting old convictions. Drug screening, if applicable. Standard practice in manufacturing, transport, and safety-sensitive roles. Must be part of a uniform policy and clearly communicated upfront. Phase 3: compliance and adverse action. The final and most legally sensitive step is handling negative findings or adverse action. The pre-adverse action step. If a BGV check reveals a serious discrepancy, like a criminal conviction or a fabricated degree, that leads you to potentially withdraw the offer, you must first give the candidate a chance to explain. Action. Inform the candidate of the specific findings and provide a reasonable time frame, usually 5 to 10 business days, for them to dispute or clarify the information. This step is mandatory in many regions. The adverse action decision. After reviewing the candidate's explanation, if you still decide to withdraw the offer, you must officially notify them. Key. Ensure your reason for withdrawal is directly related to the findings and the requirements of the job, not simply the existence of a past event. Data security. BGV files contain highly sensitive PII, personally identifiable information. Ensure all data is stored securely, accessed only by authorized HR staff, and deleted according to retention policy laws. Conclusion, summary, and call to action. Mastering BGV isn't just about catching lies, it's about establishing a foundation of trust and protecting your organization from preventable harm. Remember, define your scope, get consent, verify consistently, and always adhere to adverse action procedures. What is the biggest BGV challenge your company faces? Speed, accuracy, or compliance? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more HR insights, and ring that notification bell.